You can see all these amazing features, to-do lists flying around, but creating them yourself? Nope. Assigning tasks? Forget about it. This feeling of limited power is all too familiar for many ClickUp members. But fear not, friend. There's a reason for these restrictions, and it all boils down to user roles. Admins versus members. So, what's the biggest difference between these two ClickUp personas? Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the power dynamics within your workspace. Members, the workhorses of ClickUp. Imagine ClickUp as a bustling city. Members are the individuals getting things done. They can view tasks, update progress, leave comments, and collaborate like champions. They're the ones checking items off lists with a satisfying click, the lifeblood of any project. Think of a member as someone invited to a birthday party. They can mingle, enjoy the food, and participate in the games. But they wouldn't be rearranging furniture or setting up the decorations beforehand, right? Here's a breakdown of what members can typically do. View tasks, lists, and boards within their assigned workspaces. Create and update their own tasks. Collaborate with other members through comments and mentions. Upload files and attachments. Track progress and mark tasks as complete. Admins. The guardians of ClickUp. Now let's talk about the admins. They're the city planners, the ones with the blueprints. They have the power to create and manage the entire ClickUp workspace, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Imagine an admin as the party host. They decide who gets invited, set up the space, and make sure everything runs according to plan. Here's what admins can typically do on top of everything members can: create, edit, and delete workspaces, lists, and boards. Invite and manage members, including setting their access levels. Configure custom fields, statuses, and priorities. Manage integrations with other tools. Access advanced reporting and analytics. Control billing and subscriptions. The power of responsibility. So why are admin permissions so much more extensive? It all comes down to responsibility. Admins are entrusted with keeping the entire ClickUp workspace organized and secure. They ensure everyone has the right access to the right information, preventing chaos and ensuring project success. Choosing the right role. Now, you might be wondering, can I become an admin? The answer depends on your situation. Typically, admins are team leaders, project managers, or business owners who need to manage the overall ClickUp environment. If you're part of a smaller team or simply using ClickUp for personal organization, chances are you'll be a member. But that doesn't mean you're powerless. Communicate effectively with your admin if you need additional access or functionality within your workspace. Understanding the difference between admins and members is crucial for navigating ClickUp effectively. Members are the driving force behind tasks and collaboration, while admins keep the ship afloat. Remember, a well-structured ClickUp workspace with the right user roles empowers everyone to be their most productive selves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.